Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix anti-gravity auto-accept in seconds on Windows. First, check the app permissions. Make sure to run the app as an administrator and allow any permissions if they are blocked. This ensures the app can function correctly. Next, disable any conflicting software temporarily. Turn off overlays apps like Discord or GeForce Experience and close other macro or automation tools that might interfere. Use only trusted automation tools. Safe examples include AutoHotkey or the built-in Windows accessibility tool. Avoid downloading unknown auto-accept fixes as they can be unsafe. Make sure your app or game is updated. Outdated versions often break automation scripts, so keeping everything current helps the fix work properly. Check keybinds or settings inside the app. Some apps already have built-in auto features, so it's better to enable those instead of relying on scripts. Finally, scan for malware. If you installed a random fix, run a Windows Defender scan and remove any suspicious files to keep your PC safe. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.